Hi, this is Lynn with MI Tinker, and today we're going to fix my bird feeder. So this is a bird feeder that I purchased about a month ago, and it's one of the squirrel bird feeders, so it closes down when too much weight gets on it, which totally frustrates the squirrels and discombobulates critters such as raccoons. But raccoons found a way to get this bird feeder. This little plastic insert, which was holding the top on, was just broken off. So they worked on it, and then broke. So today we're going to take a look at how to fix it, so you're back to feeding your birds again and keeping those pesky critters like raccoons out of your expensive bird food, so that your songbirds and woodpeckers and all your favorite birds can be back to feeding and not wasting your good bird food. So we're going to put something a little more raccoon proof on this today. We're going to have to bend this straight, and then I'll show you my fix. We're just going to bend this up, and we're just going to tighten the vise a little bit to flatten that out. Now I need to finish curling this around. We don't want this to pinch shut. It has to be a complete loop. So what we're trying to do, this is pretty heavy gauge wire. Try and get the vise to help us. Okay, we're ready for assembly. A nut that is larger than the diameter size. Then I'm sliding on a washer. Then I'm putting the hook on and another washer. The reason why I'm doing that is because in order to get this locked down tight, I need to have threading. The thread here be deep enough in order for the lock washer that I'm putting on to do its job. So we're padding it in essence. So I'm going to put a washer on. We're going to put the loop, the bird feeder loop on. We're going to put another washer, the lock washer. And now we're going to put on the wing nut. And we're going to tighten that down. And we want to go tight, but not too tight, because we don't want to crack the plastic. That's exactly what the animals will do, and you don't want that. And I'm just going to go snug enough to engage that lock washer to help keep it on. Not any tighter. And that feels pretty good. Now the raccoons are going to have to work awfully hard. I can still rotate that, and it feels pretty snug. If you're worried about the raccoons being smart enough to unwind the wing nut, you can always put on a dab of nail polish, super glue, or glue on the threads here. So you just put a dab of the nail polish right on the threads, and that'll be the same thing as putting a Loctite on there. It'll prevent it from loosening up easily and keep the critters out. Now we're ready to go back into business and get the bird feeder back with the birds on it.